Boy, I've been stuck in the house now for 3 days with the blizzard of 2018 since Wednesday night, and the food supply is going down. So let me look out the window, see what I could do. Hey boy, could you stop for a minute?
For me?
Yeah, you. What a marvelous boy. You know the butcher on the corner there on Mercury Boulevard?
Oh, she don't know.
What a clever little boy! What a clever little boy! Yeah, that one. Is that turkey still there in the window of the butcher?
One as big as me.
Yeah, yes, that's the one. What a clever boy! What a clever boy!
It's hanging there still.
I want you to go there, and I want you to go buy that turkey.
Whoa,
What a smart boy! What a smart boy! No, I'm in earnest. I'm in earnest. I want you to go buy that turkey, and if you bring it back within 5 minutes, I'll give you $5. If you come back in 10 minutes with the butcher, I'll get you a case of Trump steaks.
whoa,
I still don't know what that means, but no, I'm only kidding. I'm only kidding. I'll give you an extra $10 if you could bring him back with the butcher within 10 minutes. Okay?